Hi, we are back with Anna learning Hindi. Anna, are you excited?
Yeah.
Well,
I'm scared.
okay, that's good. I think you should be scared. Okay, so we are back with Anna and learning Hindi. Today we'll be doing a lot of super sentences, which would be introductory, meaning Anna would be introducing herself a little bit. As much as I know about her, she doesn't know anything about the script. So let's see. Okay, so we are on the level 1. So this is how it's gonna go. There are 10 levels, and she'll be following the one sentence that is already in the level 1, and then on level 2 you'll have the first sentence from the level 1 and then the level 2 sentence. If it's not making sense right now, that's perfect, because it will make sense when I'll be showing it. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we are on level 1. So can you start reading what level 1 is saying?
मेरा नाम आना है और मैं यूक्रेन से हूँ.
Perfect. What do you think it means?
My name is Anna and I'm from Ukraine.
Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so as you can see, mera naam, that means my name, right? That's pretty straightforward. Naam, name, it's same, right?
Okay.
Anna, of course, your name, and hai. So mera naam Anna hai, that means my name is Anna. And or main, rather than saying man, it's more like main, right? The N is like very nasal. So main Ukraine se hu, right? That makes sense?
What is or?
Or is and.
Aha.
Right? So or means and, which is weird because or means something else in English, and then in Hindi it means and or English one means yeah,
Yeah.
which is like yes in a lot of languages.
Okay. Keep
Yeah?
it. Keep
Okay.
it.
Okay. So then we are on to the level 2. Okay, so you'll be having this same sentence plus some additional one on. Okay, can you read level 2?
मेरा नाम आना है और मैं no not man मैं यूक्रेन से हूँ. मैं ऑनलाइन काम करती हूँ.
Okay, what do you think it means?
My name is Anna and I'm from Ukraine. I work online.
Wow, that's perfect. Yeah, Anna, Anna has no level in Hindi. She's really beginner, and she didn't know anything about this, so she's guessing all of it on her own. But that's perfect. It's more about context. I would say it's more about context in Hindi. So once you have the context, it's easy to know. Intuition. Let's say intuition. Okay. Yeah. So main online. I think you can guess. You already know that main means I, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Online, of course, online, right? Kaam karti, right? Kaam karti, right? That means work. Okay, so that's in present tense. So that means kaam karti, that means work, right? And then who, which basically means am, but you need those helping verbs in every sentence. So main online kaam karti hu. That's perfect. Yeah, super. Okay. I think you're getting it. Okay. Then we are on to the level 3. Okay. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Let's try once more time.
Oh my god.
A lot of reading.
मेरा नाम आना है और मैं यूक्रेन से हूँ. मैं ऑनलाइन काम करती हूँ. मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है.
Super, perfect, yeah. मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. I know that was a little bit tongue twister, but मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. So basically everything you know from before, but मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. This actually means I like traveling. I think that's true about you, right?
A lot.
Yeah. She likes traveling a lot. So मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. Pasand that you see, that means like. Okay. So in Hindi, you are never saying that I like traveling, right? You are saying traveling is likable to me, because mujhe means to me,
Okay.
right? So whenever you are saying mujhe, that basically means to me. So you are saying traveling is likable to me, right? So mujhe घूमना बहुत पसंद है, right?
Good.
Yeah. Okay. So what is pasand?
Travel.
No. Pasand is like.
Off.
No swearing.
What's traveling.
Traveling is घूमना,
घूमना.
right? बहुत is very.
Yeah.
So whenever
That
you
one I know.
yeah, so whenever you put बहुत into anything, that's just exaggerating a little bit, right? So मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. Again, what is घूमना?
Wait, can you translate it word by word?
Yes.
So मुझे,
To me.
to me,
Yeah.
घूमना, travel, बहुत पसंद is a lot like,
That's right.
and then है like,
Is.
is.
Yeah. Perfect. That's perfect actually. Like let's say if you wanted to say something else. Let's say if you want to say, I like chai a lot. Like how would you make that sentence? What would you replace?
मुझे चाय बहुत पसंद है.
Superb. That's perfect. I think you're a natural, huh? Okay. We are on level 4.
मेरा नाम आना है और मैं यूक्रेन से हूँ. मैं ऑनलाइन काम करती हूँ. मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. अभी मैं इंडिया में हूँ और मुझे इंडिया बहुत पसंद है.
That's perfect. Yes. Okay. So what do you think this last line means now?
I cannot believe we have 10 levels.
So, अभी मैं इंडिया में हूँ और मुझे इंडिया बहुत पसंद है. What do you think this means?
I want to take India with me.
No. Okay, what does this last part means? और मुझे इंडिया बहुत पसंद है. This is similar to the verse we have done before.
India is really cool.
Look at this one. मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है.
Yeah.
You see any connection?
Yeah, I also see मुझे India बहुत पसंद है.
So what do you think it means?
A lot India. No, मुझे. I forgot what मुझे was.
Me.
I like India a lot.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, and the first part that is अभी मैं इंडिया में हूँ. That means right now I'm in India.
Okay.
That's true, right? Yeah. So अभी मैं इंडिया में हूँ और मुझे इंडिया बहुत पसंद है. One thing I must say is that your pronunciation is improving as we are doing more and more levels, right? Okay. So here's what we're gonna do from now on. Okay, I'm gonna say the first part, the part that we've already done, and you're gonna say the new part. Okay, that makes sense.
Okay.
Okay, super. So we are on level 5. Okay, so I will say the part that we have already done. Okay, and then you will say the part that is new. Okay. So मेरा नाम एना है और मैं यूक्रेन से हूँ. मैं ऑनलाइन काम करती हूँ. मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. अभी मैं इंडिया में हूँ और मुझे इंडिया बहुत पसंद है. Right? So the last part, right now I'm in India. I like India a lot. Okay, so now your turn from here.
मैं 3 हफ्ते के लिए इंडिया में घूम रही हूँ.
Okay, that's I mean that's a tricky one. That's like advanced. Okay, so
A lot of
yeah.
twisting.
Yeah, but we are on level 5, so you know it makes sense. Okay, that means that I'm in India for 3 weeks. 3 hafte means 3 weeks. Okay, I'm in India for 3 weeks, and I'm traveling in India. Okay, right? So I'm traveling in India. So I'm in India for 3 weeks and I'm traveling in India. That's what this last part means. Okay, so that's level 5th. Now we are on level 6th. Okay. मेरा नाम एना है और मैं यूक्रेन से हूँ. मैं ऑनलाइन काम करती हूँ. मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. अभी मैं इंडिया में हूँ और मुझे इंडिया बहुत पसंद है. मैं 3 हफ्ते के लिए इंडिया में घूम रही हूँ और इंडिया के बाद मैं sorry, that's the part you'll have to say. So you have to say from here.
From India?
From yes or from or.
और इंडिया के बाद मैं पोर्चुगल जा रही हूँ मेरे परिवार से मिलने.
Parivar. So that's parivar. Yes.
से मिलने.
Parivar means family. Okay. So take a guess. What do you think it means?
After India, I'm going to Portugal. to meet my family.
Wow, that's perfect. Yes, amazing.
Thank you.
Are you excited about Portugal?
I'm excited about level 10.
Oh, that's good news. Okay, perfect. So just quick note. Ke baad means after. Okay. Parivar means family. And milne means to meet. Right?
Okay. I'll
Okay.
pretend like I will remember all of
Yeah,
it.
because on level 10 I will ask you all of this. So, okay, level 6.
No.
Oh, I mean level 7, sorry. So, मेरा नाम एना है और मैं यूक्रेन से हूँ. मैं ऑनलाइन काम करती हूँ. मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. अभी मैं इंडिया में हूँ और मुझे इंडिया बहुत पसंद है. मैं 3 हफ्ते के लिए इंडिया में घूम रही हूँ. इंडिया के बाद मैं पोर्चुगल जा रही हूँ मेरे परिवार से मिलने. ओके, नाउ योर टर्न.
मैं काफी समय बाद अपने परिवार से मिलूंगी.
मिलूंगी तो
मिलूंगी तो मैं बहुत उत्साहित हूँ. I
Perfect.
have no idea.
Yeah, that's a tricky one, so I won't, okay. So that means that I'm going to Portugal after some time, okay, and I'm very excited to meet my family. That's what it means, right? So do you see this word utsahit? So India, like in Hindi, this is pretty common that you have some words that are very old school. So utsahit is a very old school word. People tend to not use it anymore, right? But this is pure Hindi. So rather than utsahit, you'll say happy or excited. Right? Okay. Perfect. Okay. Level 8. मेरा नाम एना है और मैं यूक्रेन से हूँ. मैं ऑनलाइन काम करती हूँ. मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. अभी मैं इंडिया में हूँ और मुझे इंडिया बहुत पसंद है. मैं 3 हफ्ते के लिए इंडिया में घूम रही हूँ और इंडिया के बाद मैं पोर्चुगल जा रही हूँ मेरे परिवार से मिलने. मैं काफ़ी समय बाद अपने परिवार से मिलूंगी. तो मैं बहुत उत्साहित हूँ.
प्लेन से मुझे 12 घंटे लगेंगे.
Yes. So 12 means 12. Okay. 12 घंटे लगेंगे. So that means plane से from flight. Plane से मुझे 12 घंटे लगेंगे. From plane it will take me 12 hours. That's what it means.
From plane it will take me 12 hours.
Yes, that's what you say. Say also means by. So that's a crazy thing in Hindi. That say means by, since, and from.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So when you're saying that, you basically means that like by plane it will take me 12 hours.
Okay.
Do you think that's a long time?
12 hours?
Yeah.
By plane?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The next one is the 9th level. Again, same thing. So मेरा नाम एना है और मैं यूक्रेन से हूँ. मैं ऑनलाइन काम करती हूँ. मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. अभी मैं इंडिया में हूँ और मुझे इंडिया बहुत पसंद है. मैं 3 हफ्ते के लिए इंडिया में घूम रही हूँ और इंडिया के बाद मैं पोर्चुगल जा रही हूँ मेरे परिवार से मिलने. मैं काफ़ी समय बाद अपने परिवार से मिलूँगी. तो मैं बहुत उत्साहित हूँ. From here.
लेकिन मुझे इंडिया की और इंडिया के खाने की बहुत याद आएगी.
Yes, perfect. Do you know what khana is? I think we have done khana.
To come?
No, that's Anna. That's your name.
Khana, food.
Yes. So what do you think this means? मुझे इंडिया की और इंडिया के खाने की बहुत याद आएगी. Tricky one.
If it's food in India, I'll miss Indian food a lot.
That's right. That's right. That's absolutely right. याद आएगी, that means to miss. Right? Yes. Yeah, that means to miss, right? Is this true? Will you miss Indian food a lot? Okay, nice. Perfect. Did you see that like the plane thing has gone away?
No.
Yeah, that it will take you 12 hours by plane. That sentence is not here anymore.
We have a lot of words.
Yeah. Okay, last level. Are you excited for the last level? I've made it extremely long on purpose. Let's see. And no, it's not extremely long. It's perfect. Okay, so
The whole page.
मेरा नाम एना है और मैं यूक्रेन से हूँ. मैं ऑनलाइन काम करती हूँ. मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. अभी मैं इंडिया में हूँ और मुझे इंडिया बहुत पसंद है. मैं 3 हफ्ते के लिए इंडिया में घूम रही हूँ और इंडिया के बाद मैं पोर्चुगल जा रही हूँ मेरे परिवार से मिलने. मैं काफ़ी समय बाद अपने परिवार से मिलूँगी तो मैं बहुत उत्साहित हूँ, लेकिन मुझे इंडिया की और इंडिया के खाने की बहुत याद आएगी. फ्रॉम हियर.
और मैं आशा करती हूँ कि मैं इंडिया जल्द ही वापस आऊँगी एक दिन. इस बार मैं सर्दियों so French सर्दियों में इंडिया आऊँगी.
That's a tricky sentence. Should I ask you what it means?
No.
Okay, but I'll explain you what it means, okay? It means कि I hope, Asha is hope, okay?
Where did we start?
We started here.
Okay.
So Asha means hope. So I hope that I will come back India soon. मैं आशा करती हूँ मैं जल्द ही वापस आऊँगी एक दिन, one day. Okay?
Oh, one day.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
सर्दियों, that means winter.
Oh, yeah. I agree with that.
So that means इस बार मैं सर्दियों में इंडिया आऊँगी. This time I will come to India in winter.
Maybe spring.
I think anything other than winter is suicidal.
You said it's 10 degrees in the winter.
Yeah, winter is really good. Let's focus here. Let's not go on winter. Right? Okay. But yes, this is what it means. Okay. So let's do a quick recap of there are some words that you know. Okay? Okay. So the first part, मेरा नाम एना है और मैं यूक्रेन से हूँ. What does that mean?
My name is Anna and I'm from Ukraine.
मैं ऑनलाइन काम करती हूँ. That one.
I work online.
Okay. मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है. मुझे घूमना बहुत पसंद है.
I like traveling a lot.
Perfect. अभी मैं इंडिया में हूँ और मुझे इंडिया बहुत पसंद है.
I don't remember where India here is 2 times, but I like India a lot.
First part is अभी मैं इंडिया में हूँ. That means I'm in India right now.
Okay. I'm in India right now and I like India a lot.
Okay. Okay, and then where are we? मैं 3 हफ्ते के लिए इंडिया में घूम रही हूँ. What does that mean?
India is the best country in the world.
Oh, that is true. That is true. But this one means that I'm in India for 3 weeks. 3 हफ्ते that you see, 3 means 3 and हफ्ते means week.
Okay.
Right? मैं 3 हफ्ते के लिए इंडिया में हूँ. Okay. Then we have इंडिया के बाद मैं पोर्चुगल जा रही हूँ.
After India, I go to Portugal.
Wow, okay. मेरे परिवार से मिलने.
To meet my family.
Superb. मैं काफ़ी समय बाद अपने परिवार से मिलूंगी.
I don't remember this.
So, काफ़ी समय is like after a long time.
Okay.
काफ़ी समय बाद, right? After a long time. तो मैं बहुत उत्साहित हूँ. I'm very excited, right? लेकिन मुझे इंडिया की और इंडिया के खाने की बहुत याद आएगी.
I'll miss Indian food a lot.
और मैं आशा करती हूँ मैं जल्द ही वापस इंडिया आऊँगी एक दिन.
I don't remember again.
I hope
I will come back to India again.
Okay. इस बार मैं सर्दियों में इंडिया आऊँगी.
In winter time.
This time I will come in winter time.
Yeah, that's a lie.
We'll see. Okay. So, do you think this helped you? Do you think these levels helped you a little bit?
It definitely stretched my tone a bit.
Yeah. That's perfect. I would say your pronunciation has improved a lot just by doing these. And you have not done any Hindi. Like your level is basically 0 in Hindi.
You're so kind.
Thank you very much. I'm honest, you know. Okay, perfect. So let me know in the comments if there is any words that you had struggled with, and if you struggled as much as Anna did in this video, or if you did better than Anna, also let me know, and we'll see. I think you did pretty well. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.